What's up, what's good YouTube? What's the tea? Welcome back to my channel, Ava Latrice, the Avalicious Lifestyle.
I'm a savage, yeah. Classy, bougie, ratchet, yeah. Sassy, moody, nasty, yeah. Acting stupid.
Guess what? He is here! Hi, love. Hi, nice to meet you. Come here. Come in. Take off your shoes. No, seriously, come here. Okay. I got it. Yes, bitches. Chocolate vanilla swirl cookie crunch, please. Isn't she beautiful? So, guys, I finally got my ring light. And when I tell y'all I am so excited, I damn near stalked the mailman for this. And I wanted to unbox it so bad before I record it, but I'm like, no, I gotta do an unboxing video because I just have to. So this box is pretty big. I'm not sure how I'm finna position this camera so y'all can see, but we gonna figure it out. And yeah. Okay, maybe this is better. Dang, that's still not gonna work because that's weird. Let's see, how could we position this? Okay, I finally worked something out. We just gonna get right into it. I should probably get some scissors. And y'all, please don't man the back of my shirt if y'all see this. I'm not sure what kind of shirt this is. This was a Christmas gift. So yeah. Okay, so the first thing I see, this, let's see, the ring light itself. Oh, this is everything inside of it. They double boxed this. Handle with care. The other lights, this is ghetto. I'm in the ghetto. Okay, guys, finally made it a little further. This is the box I guess it comes in. Just gonna pull these out, and voila, we're guessing this is the actual ring light. This is terrible, Miss Tola. Can y'all tell I'm really struggling, or is it just me? Maybe it's me, maybe it's not. We're just gonna get on through the video. I don't care if y'all can see my lamp. Y'all know what I'm working with. So, ooh, looks fancy. These might be the coverings that go on the light. And this is the light itself. Period. Ew. Oh, okay. I was gonna say, like, it don't come with a part to hold the phone. But I see the little slot right here. Let me just do this because I didn't see a lot of people do this on the unboxing. I want to show y'all up close how the back looks, how the bottom looks, what's under there. I think this is the thing to dim it, to make it brighter, all that. What else is in here? Nothing else is in here. But this is really nice because it gives you a way to travel, do whatever you're going to do. Bada bing, bada boom. See what else is in this box? The light stand. This literally says light stand. It'll come out. I thought we was done being ghetto. Okay, there we go. This is it. Light stand. Light stand. Light stand. I really hope that's the phone stand in there. Yes, sir. Okay, I'm a little confused. I know you lying. I know you lying, right? It gotta be something else in here. I know you don't have to buy the phone part. Let me just continue. Maybe I'm wrong. Oh, I'm so mad. Ooh. Or either maybe it's in here. Y'all, I got hope. Maybe, Lord, let it be in here. Because if it's not, I'm gonna stop spending my money on stuff. I promise you. Maybe I need to stop trying to be scissor hands and get some damn scissors. Who said I wasn't mixed with scissors? Hey! Go with the phone there. You know the vibes. You know the vibes. The cord, plug it up. Like I said, these are the covers. So if you want a warm look, you'll put these on there. If you wanted a whiter, bluer look, you will put the white ones. And then this is another part to hook it up with. Oh, and then they have a little remote so you can record or take a picture. But this lighting is horrible, and I do apologize. That's why I'm doing better. You know better, you do better. That's why I got this, So let's hook this bad boy up, because I'm tired. So, I'm on the Spanish part. When I use light outside, I can understand that. Oh, that makes sense. Don't play with that boy. Okay, maybe I need to tighten this. Y'all break it? Okay. Sturdy like a stripper pole. Ooh. Y'all looking at my ropes. Don't do that. keep exposing myself. Okay, I was showing y'all. At first it was like this. You just gotta loosen this one, pull it up, boom, boom, boom. Put it on here like boom, and then you loosen this one, the big one, so that it could move back. You know? So let me tell y'all, this is what's going on. This part at the top is a little wobbly, so I'm assuming that this one right here tightens that up. And if it doesn't, I'm gonna just really hurt because I don't want a wobbly ring light. That's what I don't want. Okay, so that's better. But now it's just too tall.
6 hours later.
Okay, so this is pretty cool. So we're gonna put my phone right here. Yay, we don't gotta struggle no more. Period. I'm loving it. I'm loving it, honey. Ah! That's you. That's the real you live in the flesh. Yes, it's me. Y'all don't know how happy I am to have a real tripod. So now we're gonna apply these. So I'm gonna plug it up first so you guys can see the original light. Oh, that's the dimmest setting, y'all. That's the dimmest setting. So if I was to, oh, your girl is lit. Okay, that's a little bit too bright for my own sake, but let's see how bright it could get. Dang, it's still getting brighter. Okay, so this is the brightest, but honey, I can't see nothing. Like, let me stop before I blind myself. But this is really cute. I love this. Like, oh my god, yo, I'm so lit, pig. Okay, so as far as the covers, I'm just gonna do 2 whites and 2 oranges, or 2 warm tone covers. Okay. Do I have to turn the light off and do this? Go for it. Do I like this warm look? Okay. Or should I just have all white? This is how it officially looks with all white lights. I think I really like this. I'm so glad I invested my money in this. Seriously, I'm super excited. Let's do a versus so you guys can see what I was working with and then see what I'm working with now. You feel me? Big glow up. So this is how it looks with just my old lamp versus my new ring light. All the information to this ring light will be down in my description. I suggest that y'all invest y'all money in this because it just gives you a way better look on everything. And I do hair too, so I just felt like I just really needed to invest in some good lighting. But anyways, guys, thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and be sure to hit that notification bell so you can be notified on when I post. I will be posting more regularly. Comment down below on more videos that y'all want to see next. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace, love, and hair grease, my loves.
Me sloppily, if your money monopoly, I ain't fucking you properly. He been trying to lick a taste like a strawberry daiquiri. The interior chicken and the exterior broccoli. When I come shooting that Range Rover, the Barbie chain glow. Keep a baddie with me and we curve them like a rainbow. Rockin' ice grills like some serious bitches. It's the Barbie and the baddest Sagittarius bitches.